Sit down.
Cash or charge?
Oh, gosh. Cash, I guess. I mean, it's not deductible, is it?
2 weeks pay. 2 weeks severance.
Here's your tokens.
I don't get this at all.
What's this?
All-purpose loan.
Are you crazy? Is that
Now you got a lot of money, Lee. What you gonna do?
Take one of everything, baby.
I tell you what you do. Buy her nice clothes. Check into big hotel.
Indeed!
Have food brought up to you in bed. Drink champagne and whiskey. Now money all gone.
Yeah, we all keep trying like fools.
You come back to me. I put you back in the kitchen, wash dishes to pay back loan. By that time, you're no longer young, you're no longer handsome, you're nothing but a dishwasher. That's one choice. There are others.
There are always others, are there not?
They say education is good. I've heard that. Me personally, I can always use a good dishwasher.
That's why I'm here.
Really?
Don't you know anything about sarcasm?
I think I had a sarcasm once.
I can always use a good dishwasher.
I'm starting you on pots and pans. Thanks for nothing.
Tomorrow's going to be your first day. If you'd like to work here as a
Dishwasher.
would you like that?
Yes, sir.
I don't even know who I am.
Good. We couldn't be happier.
Want the job?
I'll take it. Till I get killed or you find someone better.
I can always use a good dishwasher.
Doesn't matter what they call you. It's the deeds make the man.
Yeah, but my deeds just made things worse. I'm a fraud. I'm a phony.
Dishwasher.
I'm not even supposed to be here.
That's right. You came a long way to find something that isn't out here.
I can't believe I am hearing this nonsense.
You just
this
wait
is the most
a
ridiculous
moment.
conversation I have ever had.
Maybe there is some kind of
Dishwasher.
that we haven't seen yet.
I gotta get out of here.
Hey, what you guys doing? There's a lot of dishes to be washed. Wash it yourself, right? I retired. I gotta look after my investment.
But I can't go back.
Don't know that you got a choice, son. No man can walk out on his own story.